the future of computer science, a world without human programmers? Why programmers may not have to fear. Program synthesis is the ability for a computer to automatically create a program for solving a particular task. Evolving programs can be done using various genetic algorithm techniques including crossover and mutation. Program synthesis has been considered to be the holy grail of computer science since the early beginnings of artificial intelligence. Large language models, LLM, such as GPT-3 and ChatGPT, have proven surprisingly adept at generating code. GitHub Copilot, a system for performing intelligent code completion, is capable of writing entire programs. Microsoft heavily invested in ChatGPT and purchased GitHub Copilot. An argument has been made that we may be seeing the end of software development as we know it. The entire field of computer science could become obsolete with the rise of AI counterparts. The thought of replacing programmers with computers may seem possible, but programming is far too complex and creative of a field to be immediately replaced. Machine programming and deep programming systems may become an important tool used by skilled professionals, but programming will remain a skill for software developers for the foreseeable future. If you enjoyed this video, be sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more videos about AI.